So I took a long walk. This is Abhinandan here. So I took a very long walk. After I went to Hermes D Plaza, and I also found a crypto exchange here, Crypto Inca. But the office is not there, but the number was there. And then I went to other places. I met a lady over here who told about the bus tour, but there are a lot of other good buses. So there are walking tours like this, free walking tours, but they tell you to give some donation. Okay, and the donation about $10 or even above. So anyhow, today is 13th October 2025. Abhinandan at Cusco. Now I'll go into the central traditional market inside, buy some fruits and other local things. There are two walking tours like this. So I have to plan my trip to Machu Picchu, and I went to many places, did a lot of recording, and today is October 13th, 14th I'm here, 15th I have to leave to a place called Aquas Clintines or something. See, I'm looking at this is Cusco. I think I'll go in this one. See, they are going for tours like this. I have to choose this one. There was another one called Blue One. There are 2 or 3. Quinto. Let me choose Cusco open. I want to get the front seat because when you pay 35 soles, that's about what? About 750, 250, 250, 250, about 850, 900 rupees. You have to choose the front ticket, front seat. So these are all walking tours. A lot of people keep traveling. So let me go inside the traditional market from this side. Okay, I like traditional markets. My friends in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, they like pub, bar, discos. They'll spend 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 rupees for paying for taxis to go enter over there to a pub, bar, and they won't have the confidence to speak to a pretty girl. Because I've asked them, and they asked, what were you doing? We were standing in one corner, all the pretty girls were there at the other end, they will say. Oh, they were not talking. So I tell them, you don't know how to talk. So if you know how to talk, you can build a global business with a small amount of $55, not big money. Don't start with big money, it is stupidity. Okay, until you know the skills of communication. This is in this is in Cusco, Peru, about 100 kilometers away from Machu Picchu. I want to go to Machu Picchu. I think 15th or 16th I'll go there. But I'm recording every movement here. I came yesterday over here in a 27-hour bus drive. I wanted to come in a bus to see the beauty of the hills and mountains and all. Now Abhinandan from Bangalore. I came more than 1 year ago. First I came to USA. I was there for 6 months. I came to Washington DC. Then 2 months in Richmond. These are very big blueberries. Okay, I'll choose some of them. So 2 months in Richmond, Virginia, 3 months in Miami, 6 months in Colombia. He's explaining the fruits. That fruit has a lot of vitamin C, like our amla. Okay, I buy only unique natural things. So are all tour operators, walking tour operators, trip a deal. Oh, everyone are given earphone, so I should not listen. Okay, the Chinese people are doing it.
in the morning. Because if you eat it now, for example, when it's almost cold,
I keep watching all these people. I walk a lot because night time anyhow it will be cold. You can sit and work that time on your laptop. Okay, and build your global earning business. I only talk about business. My friends talks about dirty things, unproductive things. You want to go associate with them? I'll give you their numbers.
Essas coisinhas assim que vocês têm.
I'm the only person who gives you my friends' numbers if you want to lose your money and waste your time. Like Steve Madden Shoes gives the numbers of their competitors. Do you know that business story? Anyhow, I have only 1 or 2 on pipeline. I want to try cocoa leaves where they make cocaine. So, I'm just seeing everything. I have another few days to see all this. I have coffee, cocoa, I have then I'll go back where people are there. Okay, so I enjoy traveling. Earlier I used to travel to KGF. My first city for business to travel was KGF. Mysore, from Bangalore I'm talking. From Bangalore to Mysore, then KGF, then Dharwad. I'm just remembering all that, what I did 30 years ago. Okay? And travel to more than 25 states in India, about 6 union, what is this fruit? I like watching fruits, knowing fruit. What is this, sir? Oh, he's left, no one is here. I was talking about this fruit which has a lot of vitamin C, like our amla. Okay. Excuse me? What is this fruit?
Camu camu.
Okay, this is camu camu. Okay, how much is it? A kilo?
Kilo te vale 20 soles for 1 kilo.
20 soles, sir.
Half kilo 10 soles, cuarto 5 soles.
Okay, how do you eat it? You just eat it like that?
Very sour. ¿Quieres probar?
Huh?
Did you try?
No, I've not tried. I've never seen.
It's very sour.
It's very sour. Okay, how do I eat it? I can eat it like that only. Give me one sample.
Yeah.
What is the benefit of camu camu? What's the health benefit?
Ese tiene bastante vitamina C.
Vitamin C.
Ajá.
This has more vitamin C or this has more vitamin C?
Vitamin C, ajá. Aguaimanto.
This has more vitamin C
Sí, también.
and this also has.
Ajá.
Okay, first let me try. Give me one right now and then I'll take for 1 quarter kilo. Give me one nice one. Which is red color is good or this is good? Camu camu. They sell a lot of nutritional products. No, wait. This is.
Red.
How do you?
Red. Este es red.
This is red one. Oh, this is very soft one. It is gone. This one. Wait. Is this correct? Madam, is this good? 1 minute. Is this good?
Sí, it's good.
It's good? Okay. You eat it like that only?
No seeds.
No seed.
No seeds.
You eat the skin also? It is sour. There's a small seed like this. Madam, you eat the skin also? Skin?
Sí, sí, no.
Okay, give me for $5. Let me see. Give me red one.
Sí, red, sí.
Red one you give me. Camu camu. You can just Google it. CAMU, CAMU. Red one, red one. Red one, nice one. This is grown in Amazon and Peru.
Perú. Perú de la selva. Amazon.
Okay. I like buying only natural things and good things. Huh? You have cocoa leaves also? Red one, please.
No have it.
If not, I'll come tomorrow and buy. Tomorrow also I'll buy if you give me good one.
No, yeah.
I came to buy fruits only. I want to buy blueberries also. How much is that?
Yeah, 250 grams.
250? Okay. You have cocoa leaves?
Coca leaves acá.
How much is that?
3 soles.
$3. What do you make in that? You make tea. You boil it in water
Sí, o
or you eat like that?
sí.
What is it good for?
Este,
Hmm.
mint, yicta,
Okay.
yicta. Ten un poquito. No. Si no, solo esto, no esto. En tea, water, hot, no, caliente, hot.
Caliente, okay.
Hot.
Okay, got it.
Ajá.
Okay, not now. Next time I'll take that one. Wait. Let me just check it online. Give me this one. Thank you very much. I will check whether it is good one and I'll come and buy later. Which is the best chocolate? 100% cocoa? Chocolate 100% original.
Coco.
Original.
No tengo coco.
Huh?
Acá tiene coco. ¿Tiene chocolate con coco? Chocolate con coco.
What is that? No, this one. How much? 90% cocoa?
No. The Machu Picchu? No. Coco no.
No cocoa.
Milk, sal de maras,
Okay.
berries.
I want chocolate. Okay. This is what I ate today. How do you pronounce? Tuna.
Quinoa.
Oh, quinoa.
And protein, not maca.
Maca is very good. I have a lot of maca with me. Okay. So I took kamu. Just Google it. Many of the companies in India, direct selling companies to sell all this health product from America, and Indian people pay exorbitant amount for it. Okay, like now people are paying for something. I don't want to mention that. Omega 3 you get naturally. How much is this?
10 soles.
This one?
This one 10 soles.
Okay, this is integral.
Integral.
You are sure integral?
Yes.
Okay. This is integral? No integral? Okay.
If it's not money, people like
Integral means you know what it is? What we have, what we call whole food. Not whole food. Integral is what is that we call organic. Integral? Huh?
Panchuta.
Panchuta. What is that? How much? Okay. Panchuta. Just to see some of them. Okay. And I'm eating that fruit leaf also. And
Chocolate, cafecito, sal de maras.
so this one is from Maras.
Maras.
How much is this?
It's 5 soles.
$5, 1 kg or half kg? Kilo or half kilo?
kilogram.
Show me. I want to go here. Show me this. Is original pura?
Yes.
Pura.
Sí.
Okay. $5 kilo.
Sí.
And
1
this
kilo for.
this one? This one? Sorry, this one?
Igual sal de maras en piedra, en rock.
Rock.
Ajá.
You can't eat this. No eating.
Eat, sí, yes.
You can eat this.
Se lima
Hmm.
y se puede comer. Comestible.
This one also eat?
También.
You can eat?
Yes.
Okay, and this also you can eat. Okay. Hmm. Let me buy this later. Let me go around and come.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know what is special about $5 1 kg? Yeah?
1 kilogram for 5 soles.
$4 or $5?
5.
Okay. Now all the same, different companies.
As big
Huh?
and small.
Hmm.
2 sol.
Okay. And this one different company. Which one is good company?
Este es sal ahumada, sal smoke,
What is that?
sal smoke.
I don't understand what it is.
Ahumada, smoking, smoke.
Smoke.
Ajá, ahumada.
No, I don't know what is that. Tell me, type in English for me and translate it. See, the specialty about the salt, better than Himalayan salt. You know, in USA, this is your $5, 125 rupees per kg. I paid in Lima about 250 rupees per kg. I paid 250 rupees. Here is 125, but I do not know. I'll check it which one is pure. In America, this is sold for $40, $45, $47. Just type it for me. What is that? Type in English. $47. That is, you know how much it is? It comes out nearly to 4,000 rupees 1 kg. 4,000 rupees 1 kg of this salt. Okay. Wait 1 minute. I'll off it.